Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Sam with Outdoors Maryland. Today we're going to go and we're going to be hanging out. I have an infatuation with snakes. I don't think I like picking them up, and I don't know what I'm doing with them, so I don't touch them. But I had contacted my man here. He's from Obsession Outdoors. He does a lot of herping, a lot of, dealing with snakes, and obviously he does a lot of fishing. He brought me out here. I haven't been to the Susquehanna River in 6, 7, it's been a long time since I've been up here, and we're not too far away from the dam. And we're just going to catch whatever we can catch. We're not here specifically, hopefully a good catfish or something. But we got Glenn. Glenn here's his cousin. He's with us hanging out. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go fishing, and then he's going to take me, my grandson, and my little nephew. He's going to take us out looking for snakes. That's the whole reason why, one of the reasons I contacted him. And hopefully this ain't the only time we do this stuff. Hopefully we can get together every year a couple times, at least once or twice, and just go fishing. And so we're going to go out and start fishing. And
right next to the boat, a tiny little catfish.
Catfish?
Little channel cat.
There's grass shrimp on?
Ow. Okay, I think I got it.
Catch and release. We'll put that out of the sun.
You're getting hit again.
Really? Oh, I'm on fish. Alright, double crew, double it up, baby. Alright. That feels like a wet fish. Oh. Yeah, it's no crappie. What?
What?
That's an odd catch for out here. You got something nicer again.
Yeah. I got a
Where's this grass shrimp? They seem to be grass shrimp and minnow.
Yeah. Put some live bait on, buddy. Yeah, nice little channel. Alright. I love when I get the black face like that. Oh, popped off again. Well guys, that's
he's letting go. I need to upgrade the hook.
crappie on grass shrimp. And I'm thinking he's gonna be bacon. Yeah, the white one. Right now we're using rotten minnows.
And they've been working now.
Yeah,
well,
true.
it's called two back to back.
True. But I'm thinking for blue cats. This is blue cat candy right here.
These are them catching catfish. What's that?
On again.
Yeah, set up.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth?
Bit of variety. Nice. Guys, I said it was going to be a multi-species day.
Smallmouth, baby.
There you go, guys.
Smallmouth. Multi-species. Crappie, smallmouth. We've got a couple channel catfish.
You gotta be kidding. I didn't even tighten the line up. On the drop. Another smallmouth. Awesome. Alright. Heck yeah. Wingman. Nice. There you go, guys. Number 2. Fish on.
Right.
Little catfish again. No, I always turn it off to conserve battery. Another little baby channel cat. I'm gonna
in between. Didn't do anything. As soon as I kind of thrown it out there.
Fish on. That's a bigger fish. Giant. Bigger than that.
Cool.
A bigger fish. Nothing crazy, but thumper indeed.
Yeah, he's just...
I actually like this better than the Key Bridge spot because you have more variety of fish to catch.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to catch here. Good eater size there, but I think I'm going to throw fish back today. I'm not going to keep any. Unless I get a nice blue.
No, you can put them in there. You can put them on live well at mine. And there, you're gonna, if that's a good eater fish.
Am I holding that?
Yep.
We don't have a net, do we?
Yes, I do.
Oh, do you? Okay. Well, I should be able to get him. Oh, easy, buddy. Got him. That's a perfect eating size.
Yeah, Sam's gonna take him home today.
Cool. All right.
And when you take him out, you got pliers?
Yep. This is the live well? Right here?
Yep, right there. Nice, even though he just pooped all over everything. Yeah.
You want? I thought I heard drag.
Pliers are good. Yeah. Something.
Yeah, he'll get it on yours.
There you go.
Smalley.
I don't want you to hold him out of the water. Whoop, there's fish. All right. Expecting that. find a fillet knife here.
You need a fillet knife?
You got one?
I got enough.
Any kind of knife, really. Just something to cut that. A little baby cat.
Yep. They do got pretty spots on them, don't they? They do got some pretty spots on them. But I'm gonna let him get.
Oh yeah, you're right. All right. That's action. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, okay. All right. Where's your net at?
Oh my god. It's right up in the chair.
You want to grab that net for him, Glenny? I gotta get this off real quick so I can help.
Oh, no.
What do I do with my pliers?
Need pliers?
No, I got it in my fountain. They're on there. That's a nice fish. Whoa, that's a nice fish.
I don't know if I'm going to get him up.
Just don't horse him. Just play him easy. Let me pop this off here for you and I'll help you. Out there. My sinker off, but it's no problem. Alright. Got the net?
Yep.
That's gotta be a big channel or maybe a blue.
Oh, he ain't coming out. He's getting his stuff down there.
That's on the minnow, right?
Yeah, it's on the minnow.
I got completely robbed on mine too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just broke my sinker off, but that's fine.
I gotta put this.
You got a pretty light action rod too, right? So
Yeah.
it might not be too big. It might just be the action of the rod.
It's decent.
Oh yeah, nice channel. All right, another one for the frying pan. Nice.
It's probably what, a 4 pounder?
Heck yeah, that's nice. Cool.
I'm like a daredevil.
Okay. Sinker to that. That's a decent channel cast. Heck yeah.
Hold that for me real quick.
Yep.
Man, that was good play. That is really light action. Whew.
Yeah, it made it look like a 20-pound blue.
Yeah. Yep, that's another one. He's going. We're going to have channel cat.
There you go.
It's been so long since I've had cat on it. Remember.
Got my cicada. Happy those, funny?
Yes.
Yep.
I closed it.
Oh, he's on there now. He's on there now, yep. A little smaller. Nice.
Came up from late night.
There you go. Hey, you got some over here, buddy. You got some back here. You got some back here.
Yep.
All right, maybe. Maybe now.
This rod has some pretty good backbone.
Oh yeah, fellas.
Don't horse him. I got the net job.
Oh, sorry. No, you're all right.
Just thump it. Bubbles. I see the bubbles. There we go.
Pretty.
Catfish.
All right. Caught it on the dot.
Really
Got-
pretty.
Got a 2-pounder. Yeah. Perfect eater. Another one for, what's your name again? I always just call
Sam.
you by your channel. Another
Sam.
one for Sam's frying.
Sam, I am. That's what you remember it now.
Another one for Sam's.
I do not
frying.
like green eggs in hand.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
Here's your 4th fish. 4, that'll be good.
All right, guys, we're it's slowed down for sure, but we're still getting them every couple minutes or so. So cool. Fun action. Can't beat them.
Yep, perfect.
Nice. Pretty channel too.
Fish. Still have me.
All right, fourth one. I'm gonna take 4 of them home today. Lunch eater.
You had one already? Nice. Big fish? Oh my jeez, giant blue cat. Giant blue cat. This net is not gonna be big enough. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Oh my God, this net's not gonna be big enough. Is this gonna be your PB?
Huh?
Is this your PB? Have you ever caught a blue cat this big?
I've never.
Get his head in, head in, head in. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay, got him. Oh my. What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What? Dang.
Glad I put that fucking.
Oh my
I put that
jeez.
braid on.
Holy crap.
You gonna keep them that big?
Oh yeah, I love them. People say not to keep them that big because they, you know, the toxins they pick up and blah, 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 blah. But if you process them the right way, put it this way, the big one that I kept that was almost this size was the best fish I've ever eaten in my entire life.
Really?
It was amazing. Alex said the same thing. And then you'll have the trophy guys that say throw them back that, you know, when they get the size, because you don't want to harvest the trophies and stuff. But they're an invasive fish, so
Yeah.
I'm not a trophy fisherman. I'm fishing for food. So if you don't want to keep them, I mean, if you want to throw them back, it's your fish. No, no pressure, no pressure.
Keep them up.
Cool, cool, cool. Glenny's never seen a catfish that big,
No.
unless it was in the Bass Pro fish tank.
I think that's my PB.
What a tank.
Look at that.
Whew. All right, guys, this man just followed the sonar. Instead of going over there where we were gonna go, he saw fish. He circled around, got on them, and it paid off. Immediately paid off.
How much is this one says?
I'm gonna guess 20 pounds. Heck yes.
I'll get something like that on this rod.
I was gonna say you're screwed. You're screwed if you hook that on yours. It'll be your biggest fish all day if you get it 100%. Just by the fact of how hard it is to pull up. I just want to see it. 4-pound test, right?
Yep.
As big as yours, but it's going to be nice.
It's going to be nice. 4 pound.
My first blue cat.
I'm hoping.
Caught every other species.
Just got to wear them out. Hope your line doesn't.
Flathead.
Hope your line doesn't fray too much in his mouth on the teeth.
This is a pretty good line.
Is it fluoro or mono? Mono, that's better. It won't fray as easy. Better stretch. As long as he doesn't go towards the back of the boat or the front of the boat.
My
We'll be all right.
goodness.
Take a line. Just take a line.
Try to keep landing on him every chance you get if you can. Yeah, every chance he gives you like that, gain on him. Wear him out. Pressure.
Yeah, don't snap off, man. I want to see what this is.
Definitely the longest fight I've ever had.
Yeah, the manta ray didn't even fight this long.
You want to get up here? You good?
I'm alright.
Keep gaining. Reel down. If he gives you leeway like that, take it.
He's getting tired.
Yeah, he's got to be worn out by now. Keep going.
You're getting good. You're getting good ground on him. You're getting good ground on him.
Yeah, if he's giving it, you got to take it.
Oh,
my goodness.
that's a nice blue.
Nice blue.
Nice blue.
Funny first blue cat.
Yep.
Come on, we got to get him.
It's first blue.
If you can, bring his head up. I gotta get his head in the net. This line will break off immediately if I hit the line, so I gotta get a perfect net job. I gotta wait for the perfect opportunity. That's a nice blue cat right there.
Yeah.
You've never caught any size blue, right?
Never.
So this would be a hell of a first fish for you. He's taking more line now. He's gotta try to gain it on him.
There you go. There you go.
He's taking.
There you go. I see him. I see him.
Oh my God.
Get his head up. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger net.
Yeah, bigger rod. He's hooked good.
Yeah, 4 pound. You got 4 pound test on ultralight.
Blue cat.
That's awesome.
I got it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I got the line. I got the line. Heck of a first blue cat.
Hell yeah.
That thing.
Yes.
Look at that, man. That's awesome.
Woo.
4 pound
4
test
pound
on
test.
ultralight.
And that's a easy 12 pound, 13 pound fish.
Yep.
Who needs them big
On
rods?
ultralight.
Took every bit of 10 minutes.
Heck yes, 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 yes.
Let's tell you, Paige.
That one will. Let's see. Turn around this way. Oh, it's on the side. 11 pounds. 11 pounds.
There you go. The bite's turning on a little bit.
Want the net?
No, I don't know.
Sure.
Might need a net. Or are you just jigging a grass shrimp?
Yeah.
Another channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna be digging. Yeah.
Shabby.
Here. All right, we had a great day. It started off slow, but we've actually turned out to be pretty good. I got my big PB blue cat.
You got his too.
Thanks to him, man. He got his, and let me tell you what, man, that was impressive to watch him bring that thing in.
4-pound
That's
test.
got to be anywhere between a 10 to 12 pound blue cat with ultralight and 4 pound test.
Yep.
4 pound test. That was
Insane.
awesome. And they're going to be dinner because I got 4 cats, channel cats I'm going to keep. He's got the big blue. He's got his blue, and so this is Obsession Outdoors. He loves herping. He does all kind of fishing. You got to make sure you go and check his channel out and make sure subscribe to it. He's fun. We're going to get out and do this again.
Definitely.
Next time, I think the dates might be messed up, but we're going to pick up a date. He's actually going to take me and my grandson now. We're actually going to go look for snakes.
Definitely.
He just found out what kind of turtles you just found.
Northern map turtle. So this Susquehanna River is the only place you can find them in Maryland. So check out the herping channel, herping playlist on the channel. That video, that turtle will be at the end of a turtle video that we're doing. So
That'd be cool.
pretty cool, pretty cool.
All right, man. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you later next time. All right, peace.